You did a great job, so that's something that is really worth mentioning. How do you stop it?
He's crying.
It is not just 85, it was 89.
89.
After the 70 plus.
After 1 year.
And I'd like to give the credit to April for coming back. I think that's the reason.
She's applying for
I think she's applying for TL Post and I think she's okay for OM.
Pray for her.
About Leah, going back to Leah. You know why? I'm just so proud that with her standards, you know, in order for us to meet 89, that is really something. Hey, I'm included. What can you say? See, Henry got 100. Diana got 80. What are your markdowns, Diana? Interruption. So, can we please make sure that each time you feel the customer is about to speak, please make it a habit to stop.
And apologize.
To avoid interruption. Okay? Amo, Alila, like that. So, when she talks, ganun yung drama.
Actually, we called you the queen of interruptions. Tied with
Anna Belinda.
So you're not the only person who's interrupting, so which is not good. So
What's her other markdown? Easy way to pay.
As always, she's not.
And then the 5 points, the other one.
use of customer name as always.
Guys, use of customer's name.
That's 5 points.
Di ba, we want to make it a habit after the verification part, just by saying, how can I help you today, Mrs. Papowski or Mrs. Papa? That's it. You won't get the 5-point markdown. This could have been an 85 if she called the customer by the last name, but she just